Good morning, class. So, today we are going to read the chapter The Naughty Boy. So, let's read the poem. There was a naughty boy, and a naughty boy was he. He ran away to Scotland, the people there to see. Then he found that the ground was as hard, that a yard was as long, that a song was as merry, that a cherry was as red, that lad was as witty, that fourscore was as 80, that a door was as wooden as in England. So he stood in his shoes, and he wondered, he wondered, he stood in his shoes, and he wondered. Okay, so let's find the meaning of the poem. There was a naughty boy, and a naughty boy was he. Means they are talking about that the boy was so naughty. So let's see. He ran away to Scotland. Means he ran away to Scotland from his homeland. जो बॉय है वो क्या उसने क्या करा, वो स्कॉटलैंड में जाकर भाग गया. ठीक है, अपने घर से स्कॉटलैंड में जाकर भाग गया. द पीपल देयर टू सी, वहाँ पे वो किसको देखने के लिए गया, लोगों को देखने के लिए गया कि स्कॉटलैंड के लोग कैसे होते हैं. देन ही फाउंड दैट द ग्राउंड वॉज एज हार्ड, देन ही फाउंड दैट द ग्राउंड वॉज एज हार्ड एज हिज होम. मीन्स वहाँ का जो ग्राउंड है स्कॉटलैंड का वो उतना ही हार्ड है जितना कि उसके होमलैंड का ग्राउंड है. ठीक है. दैट अ यार्ड वॉज एज लॉन्ग, और वहाँ पे जो यार्ड है, यार्ड यानी कि यार्ड 1 यार्ड इज इक्वल टू 3 फीट होता है. जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ पे मीटर होता है, फीट होता है, वैसे ही फॉरेन कंट्रीज़ में यार्ड होता है. 1 यार्ड इज इक्वल टू 3 फीट. ठीक है. और जो वहाँ का यार्ड है वो भी उतना ही लंबा है जितना कि उसके होम टाउन का यार्ड है. ठीक है. दैट अ सॉन्ग वॉज एज मैरी, and the songs of the Scotland was as happy as his homeland, as his hometown. Merry means happy. That a cherry was as red means the cherry of Scotland was as red means जो चेरी है स्कॉटलैंड की वो भी क्या है, रेड है, जैसे कि उसके होम टाउन की रेड है. ठीक है. दैट लेड वॉज एज विटी. लेड मीन्स होता है बच्चों मिरर, एंड वेटी मीन्स भारी, जिसका वजन ज़्यादा होता है, वेटी. सो द राइटर इज सेइंग दैट कि द लेड मीन्स जो मिरर है उसका वजन भी उतना ही भारी है जितना कि क्या कहते हैं स्कॉटलैंड में भी उतना ही भारी है जितना कि उसके होम टाउन में भारी है. दैट फोर स्कोर वॉज 80. फोर स्कोर मीन्स 4 × 20. 4 × 20 कितना होता है बच्चों, 4 × 20 होता है 80. तो वो कह रहा है कि जब वहाँ पे उसने 4 × 20 करा तो वहाँ पे भी 80 ही आया. जैसे कि उसके होम टाउन में 80 आया, वैसे ही क्या कहते हैं स्कॉटलैंड में भी जब 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 20 करा तो कितना आया, 80. दैट अ डोर वॉज एज वुडन एज इन इंग्लैंड. सो जो डोर्स हैं इंग्लैंड की वो भी क्या कहते हैं लकड़ी की है इंग्लैंड में. जैसे कि उसके जो उसका इससे हमें क्या पता चल रहा है, इससे हमें पता चल रहा है कि वो इंग्लैंड से भाग के स्कॉटलैंड में आया. ठीक है. जो इंग्लैंड और स्कॉटलैंड है ये दोनों ही यूनाइटेड किंगडम में आते हैं. ठीक है. और ये और ये यूनाइटेड किंगडम कहाँ आता है, यूरोप में. ठीक है. तो जो वहाँ पे जो दरवाजे हैं वो किस चीज़ के हैं, वुडन के हैं. ठीक है. कहाँ पे, इंग्लैंड में, और क्या कहते हैं स्कॉटलैंड में भी वो वुडन के ही हैं. सो ही स्टूड इन हिज शूज़ एंड ही वंडर. फिर क्या हुआ, वो अपने शूज़ में खड़ा हुआ, एंड देन ही वंडर्ड, और उसने सोचना शुरू करा. ही वंडर्ड, ही स्टूड इन हिज शूज़ एंड ही वंडर्ड, और उसने क्या करा, अपने शूज़ के ऊपर खड़ा हुआ और सोचने लग गया. ठीक है. यस. So this poem is written by John Keats, and he is a wonderful poet. So let's go through again this poem. So in this, John Keats has written that the naughty boy, went to Scotland to see see the people, and he see the ground, and he see the cherry, and everything which he saw, he found that everything is same as when he lives in London. He in England, he found the same thing as he see in the Scotland. Okay, beta. So. Your John Keats, your poet, is a very wonderful poet. He died at an early age of 26, but he was a great poet at his time, and he died from tuberculosis. Okay. Yes. So let's go through the word meaning. So naughty, naughty means mischief, who is not obedient, or you can say disobedient. Okay, so naughty means mischief or disobedient. Then you're found. Found means you saw something, or you noticed something, is called found. Then your ground. Ground is simply a floor, means like you see in the school also, the ground, the playground where we play is called the ground. Then comes your merry. Merry means happy, happy, joyful. Like you have listened also that Merry Christmas means Happy Christmas. Okay, so merry is used for joyful, means we are happy. Then comes your cherry. Cherry is a fruit, like most of us have has eaten also. So cherry is a fruit, a red color fruit, which we eat. Then comes your witty. Witty means heavy. It means heavy. Okay. Then comes your wooden. Wooden is simply a wood. The things like our tables and chairs are mostly made by by wood. Yes. Yes. Then comes your question answer. So, from where did the naughty boy come? Where did from where did the naughty boy come? The naughty boy came from the England. Okay, as we know, he came from England. Okay, beta. Where did the naughty boy go? So, where did the naughty boy go? The naughty boy went to Scotland. Okay, he went to Scotland. He saw many things there. Okay, as we have discussed. Where did he go there? He wanted to know about the people, place, things, and foods of Scotland. Okay, he wanted to know these things, and he wanted to explore all the things. Okay, what did the boy wonder about? What he wondered about means what was in his mind. So in his mind, his the ground, he was thinking about the ground. He was thinking about the song, the joyful song, the merry song. Okay, and he thought about the cherry, the red color cherry, and he thought about the heavy lead. Lead means what, beta? Lead means mirror, है ना? And he thought about the four score. The four score is what? The four score is 4 into 20 is equal to four score. So all the things he wondered about. So let's revise it again. From where did the naughty boy come? The naughty boy came from England. He came from England. Where did the naughty boy go? The naughty boy went to Scotland. Okay, he went to Scotland, as we saw his dress also. His dress is like we have seen in the TV also. His dress like yes. Let's see it again. His dress. This dress, as he is wearing shoes also, black color shoes and a skirt. So you have seen also in the movies the Scotland dress. So he is wearing the dress. Yes. Where did he go there? So he wanted to know about the people, place, things, and fruits of Scotland. He wanted to know these things. Okay, the naughty boy. And what did the boy wonder about? What he is wondering? He is wondering about the ground, this song, the happy song, merry song. As we know, merry means happy, and the cherry. Cherry is a fruit, a red color fruit, and the heavy lead. Heavy lead is what? Heavy lead is a mirror. Lead means mirror, and four score. Four score means 4 into 20, which is 80. Okay, as we have read in the poem. So thank you people, thank you class, for we as we have read the poem, and we have discussed the question answer also. So I will send you PDF in WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you beta, thank you and have a nice day.